In this video, I'll show you how to edit a few features of the TJ High School course template shell. And from the home page, you can click on the Edit button in the upper right corner. And you'll notice that you can scroll down and access some of the course content that you want to change. You can add in your own name, and the title of your course. I would also suggest that you delete the red text there. You can customize the buttons and link them out to different pages. Currently we have them set to the 6 items that you see here. There's also a link to a Get to Know Your Teacher page that you might want to put a little bit of information about what you teach, how long you've been here, and also how to get in contact with you. Additionally, if you use Khan Academy, you may want to keep this button. Perhaps you use another program such as My Lab and Mastery by Pearson. You can also change the text within there and type in what else you would like it to link to. Whatever you change in the template, you are only changing on your own course that you imported. So you're not changing the template at all for anybody else. It's specifically yours.